Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Monroe Road Elementary School, home of the Kicking Mules here in Lambertville, Michigan, part of the Bedford Public School District. Been here multiple times over the last few years, getting to share my heart on a number of topics. Today's was on respect. The sub-theme was we are all miracles, and this respect we're talking about, it's self-respect for ourselves, for others, for our property, this school, our homes, the things that we own, and trying to show that respect, in all aspects of life and with everyone too. And, we talk about, especially here in Bedford, being our Bedford best, right? Part of that is being respectful. And the mantra here at this school is being kind, being responsible. And the third is being respectful. So through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos that I always show, the positive hip hop, the hand motion rap, the call and response rap, being respectful, being just showing respect in general, that did really hit home with a lot of students. And some of them that share their hearts with me after, just things that people have said that might have broken their hearts, like the piece of paper that we tear showing ourselves, but then we try to repair that, right? We try to erase some of those heart marks, and we say that these heart bruises, more or less, sometimes bruises heal, but the pain on our heart, sometimes it's not so easy. Those are only bruises that we can feel. But if we can be those people that are trying to, alleviate some of the pain, not only when we do an act of kindness or act of respect, act of compassion, do we erase marks on someone else's heart, but ours too, right? And so for the students to really brainstorm and think about what it means to, have that respect and show it in every area of life, I think it's awesome at a young age to really start to step into that, to know our power, that we have that ability to, build up or to tear down. We talked about the upstander versus bully concept too, like the story of the shark and the whale, and how this huge creature, has this potential to use its size and its strength and, just its mass to break things or hurt others, but it doesn't. It uses it to protect others, right? To be that altruistic type of creature that actually tries to save lives, and to know that different groups of people or different individuals here at this school, so many others where you have that influence, the ability to really raise up or to destroy. I think it was a great learning point and teaching point, for us to understand the impact of our actions and our words, right? To be able to stop and pop sometimes, the power of the pause, take a breath, reflect, really understand and say, okay, am I gonna, do this consciously, knowing the effect that it could have on someone's heart, right? That it could last forever, this negativity, or am I gonna try and make sure that it's something positive, right? Or take a little time to assess the situation and know that we don't wanna do or say something that we're gonna regret. If we do, we can always apologize, and that takes a lot of courage as well, a lot of strength. But again, just a beautiful day here at Monroe Road. Always love coming back and keep continuing to build on what we've already talked about in my recent visits. So thanks for touching my heart. Keep sharing yours, keep shining your light. As always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.